Hello everyone, so in this video we are going to be looking at how to share your Canva designs and all the options you have so that you know which option to choose when you have to share your Canva designs to anyone at all. Okay, so let's quickly check it out. All right, so here we are in Canva and I'm just going to open a sample design I just created. Okay, so I will open the design fully so we can take a look. Okay, so this is the design, everything is loaded. First of all, come to share. Okay, and you can see we have collaboration link. All right, so what we can simply do is click on this drop down and click on anyone with the link. Okay, so once you click on that, there are some options that would pop up over here. The first one is can view. This simply means that if you share your design with anyone, all they can just do is to view the design. They can't do anything else about it. Okay, so the second thing is can comment. Let's give them the option to view and comment. All right, so that, or maybe you want your client to give some feedback or some revisions on the design. First draft has been sent and you're looking for some feedback. This is the best option to use for your client. You send them the link where they can view and comment. All right, then the third option is can edit. This gives anyone the opportunity to edit your design, while you are on Canva, so you're able to do things together here in Canva, and that is what you need to know. So once you are very certain on what you want or the level of access you want to give people in your design, you just copy the link and share it with them, and that's how to go about it. I hope you found it helpful. I hope this is easy to understand. Make sure to subscribe for more simple videos like this in Canva.